YouTube, what's good? It's the OG back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. I'm gonna make this video real fast and quick because I really wasn't feeling like doing it, but you know, what the hell? Knock it out so I can see what's up in here. Hold tight. See, it's heavy too. So some of you might know what's up in here. Man, I love unboxing, man. I love getting new shit in the mail, you know what I'm saying? I love that, man, for real. It's like being a kid on Christmas, you know? Yep. Dingos. Man, these shits is heavy, man. For real, for real. Over there, I'll pick it up. It's the box again. It's the back of it, you know. My size. Okay, let's see what's up. These are some Dingos. Rev up. They black. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Some biker boots. You know. I love these, man. I had a pair of short ones like this, but I don't know what I did with them. Got some tall ones in there, and I done about wore the shit out of them, man. Just smell like leather. Yeah, these are nice. Got your little zipper on the side. You know. Nice stiff leather. Sole of them. Yeah, I'm gonna rock the shit out of these. Just one right here. Yeah, I like the square toe. Yep. Well, there you have it, family. Quick little video with us in here. That's it. That's what came in today, and that's it. You know, how many minutes we on here? Yeah, I'm gonna end this real quick. Trying to find somewhere to put this shit, man, because I'm literally running out of spaces. I can't put nothing over here no more. I got shoes all back this way, shoes over here, shoes over there, shoes in my closet. It's a lot of stuff up here. So what I want to do, I want to make another room downstairs for my shoes and stuff, you know, something a little slick, you know. But in due time, we'll see what's happening. It's the OG. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that thumbs up. Peace.